Good morning to all. Today we discussed about introduction to finite element analysis. Myself, Dr. P. Rajagopal, belongs to mechanical department. What is finite element analysis? It is nothing but it is a numerical technique for finding approximate solutions to boundary value problems for partial differential equations. In simply, we say that FEM is a method for dividing up a very complicated problems into small elements that can be solved in relation to each other. Next, how does finite element analysis work? FEA uses complex system of points called nodes which make a grid called mesh or element. This is a program to contain the material and the structural properties which define how the structure will react to certain loading conditions. Next, we discussed about the types of engineering analysis. One is structural analysis, another one vibration analysis, third one fatigue analysis, and finally heat transfer analysis. These analyses are carried out by finite element method and finite element analysis. From these studies, which is help to the design engineers. The FEM offers many important advantages to the design engineers. It is applicable to steady state, time dependent and eigenvalue problems. Applicable to linear and non-linear problems. From the above studies, how FEM help the design organizations. Simulation using the FEM also offers important business advantages to the design organization. Meanwhile, it is also to identify issues in design before tooling is committed and also optimize performance before prototyping. Finally, it is help to discover design problem before iterations. Next, basic steps which are used in finite element analysis. One is discretization followed by selection of approximation of function, formation of elemental stiffness matrix, formation of total stiffness matrix, and then element loading matrix, formation of total loading matrix, formation of overall equilibrium matrix, implementation of boundary condition, calculation of unknown nodal displacements. Finally, we calculate the stress and strains of the structural element. Next, phases of finite element analysis. There are two phases are there. One is pre-processing phases and second one is post-processing phases. Next, we discuss about the advantages of FEA. Studying of FEA carries the complex problems easily. Next, complex analysis types like vibration, heat transfer, fluid problems also solved by finite element analysis. Some disadvantages are there in finite element analysis. A specific numerical result is obtained for a specific problem. Next, a powerful computer and reliable FEM software are essential. Input and output data may be large and tremendous to prepare the interrupt values. Some packages are used in FEA, ANSYS, Natron, Patron, CATIA, SolidWorks, Cosmos, ProE, etc. Thank you.